The first step in 3D printing is to obtain the file you want to print. You'll do this either by designing it yourself, scanning an existing object, or downloading a file from the web. If you're new to 3D printing or short on time, or just don't feel like reinventing the wheel, downloading an existing file is a great option. There are lots of 3D model libraries online, including Thingiverse, Pinshape, and Free3D. You'll be looking for an STL or an OBJ file. Just remember that not all 3D models are made to be 3D printed. Check the comments section before you download the file to see if anyone reported any issues with printing. If you're looking to design your own project, you need to consider the type of project you're doing to find the right software for design. For example, if you're doing something technical or engineering-based, you might prefer to use SketchUp from Trimble. Artistic creators might prefer to use Meshmixer, which is a digital sculpting software. Children who are starting out with 3D modeling might find Tinkercad has what they need. A full list of recommended programs and their abilities can be found in the handout you downloaded at the beginning of this course. If you have a Windows computer, 3D Builder from Microsoft is free and probably already installed on your device. It's also great because you can load the files you download into it to check for errors. There are some considerations and things to avoid when you're designing something for 3D printing. Avoid unsupported horizontal surfaces, unsupported faces at an angle greater than 45 degrees, or features that hang down from a point. A good example of this is a table. You wouldn't be able to print a table right side up because there would be nothing supporting the underside of the tabletop as it was printed. The table would sag and your project would be ruined. The best way to minimize the issue would be to simply print the table upside down so that the tabletop is a large flat surface on which the legs are built. Small details might be difficult to print depending on the print nozzle and layer height. Remember that the final model may be marginally smaller due to thermal contraction of the plastic or the resolution of the printer.